Hello guys, today I am once again here in the Lauti Bridge near the Hydro Tower Mini. Look guys, so many Boro people are coming to catching fish inside this Hydro Tower Mini, and this Hydro Tower Mini is located near the Lauti Bridge. Look, this Lauti Bridge is very beautifully maintained by the irrigation department, and look guys, over there, beautiful river, and the water is very clear and crystal, and at this time the weather is very sunny and windy, and you can see here, look, people are fishing fish with the netting, and some are catching with the different types of setting system. And look at water flowing by boats. It just looks like wet of the ocean. Look guys, this is the very beautiful place guys, and we are just coming to see how the Boro people are catching with the net. Look guys, so many Boro people are coming to fish at this Lauti Bridge, and this Lauti Bridge is surrounded by the river. Look guys, water and water, and with this time the clouds are very mighty and lovely guys. At this time I am really happy to see how they are collecting fish, and the weather is very lovely guys. Look, the clouds are very beautiful and lovely, and I am really having fun at this moment guys. Look, so many people are collecting fish. Look guys, what a beautiful Lauti Bridge guys. Anyway, thank you guys. Till then,